Hello everyone. Today I'll be talking about retail institutions by ownership. So let's start with the introduction. Different ownership models have distinct characteristics that influence the decision making processes, financial responsibilities, and overall functioning of the retail entity. Retail institution is the basic format or structure of a business. The term retail institutions by ownership refers to the various types of retail businesses or establishments characterized based on their ownership structures. In the context of retail, ownership plays a crucial role in defining how a business is structured, managed, and operated. Now, let's talk about the types of retailers by ownership. The first one is the independent retailer. An independent retailer is a business that operates independently, meaning it is not part of a larger corporate chain or franchisee. Independent retailers are often small, locally owned businesses that are typically owned and operated by individuals or families. These businesses have the freedom to make their own decisions regarding merchandise, pricing, marketing, and other aspects of their operations. There are some key characteristics of independent retailers. The first one is the ownership. Independent retailers are usually owned and operated by local entrepreneurs. This local connection can create a sense of community and personalized service. The second one is autonomy. Independent retailers have the autonomy to make decisions based on their understanding of local markets and customer preferences. This flexibility allows them to adapt quickly to changing trends and customer needs. The third is the unique offerings. Independent retailers often differentiate themselves by offering unique or niche products that may not be found in larger chain stores. This uniqueness can attract customers looking for something special or different. Independent retailers tend to be more engaged with their local communities. They may participate in local events, support local charities, and build stronger relationships with their customers. Fourth is personalized service. Due to their smaller size, independent retailers can provide a more personalized and attentive customer service experience. This can include product recommendations, special orders, and a more hands on approach to customer interactions. Fifth is flexibility. Independent retailers can quickly adapt to changes in the market, customer preferences, and economic conditions without having to navigate through corporate bureaucracy. Next is challenges. While independent retailers have their advantages, they also face challenges such as competition from larger chains, economies of scale, and potential difficulties in negotiating favorable terms with suppliers. Examples of independent retailers include local boutique shops, family owned grocery stores, specialty stores, and other businesses that are not the part of a larger chain or franchisee. These establishments play a vital role in contributing to the diversity and vibrancy of local economies. The next type is the corporate chains. Corporate chain retailers are retail establishments owned and operated by a single corporate entity. These entities manage multiple stores or outlets under a unified brand, often with a centralized management structure. Corporate chain retailers are owned by a single corporate entity which may be publicly traded or privately held. These retailers have a presence in various locations, which may include different cities, states, or even countries. Corporate chain retailers maintain a consistent brand image across all their locations. This helps in creating brand recognition and a standardized customer experience. There is often a high degree of standardization in terms of store layout, product offerings, pricing, and overall operations to ensure consistency. Decision making and strategic planning is typically centralized at the corporate level. Headquarters or a central office manage major aspects of the business. Corporate chains often have a hierarchical structure with executives at the top making key decisions, regional managers overseeing multiple stores, and store managers handling day to day operations. Corporate chain can leverage their size to negotiate better deals with suppliers and engage in bulk purchasing, leading to cost saving. Efficiencies in logistics, inventory management, and centralized service contribute to overall cost control and competitiveness. Marketing efforts includes advertising campaign and promotions. They are often coordinated at the corporate level to ensure a cohesive brand message. These chains aim to build brand loyalty across all locations, fostering a sense of trust and familiarity among consumers. Some of the examples of corporate chain include Walmart, Target, Mackey, and Best Buy. In the fast food industry, McDonald's and Starbucks are the examples of corporate chain retailers. Corporate chains may face challenges in adapting quickly to local preferences or changes in the market due to their standardized approach. While they benefit from economies of scale, corporate chains may face competition from smaller, more agile competitors. Consumers can expect a consistent shopping experience, product quality, and service across different locations in corporate chains. These retailers often provide convenience through widespread accessibility and extended operating hours. So, corporate chain retailers play a significant role in the retail industry, influencing market trends, consumer behaviors, and the overall landscape. Their ability to scale operations and implement standardized practices contributes to efficiency and brand recognition on a large scale. The third type of retailers are the franchise chains. Retail institutions where individual stores are independently owned and operated under a large franchisor brand and business model. Franchisee pay fee to the franchisor and benefit from established brand recognition, support, and a proven business framework. Franchisee structure has a franchisor-franchisee relationship. The franchisor is a parent company that owns the brand, trademark, and business model. The franchisee is an individual or entity that pays fees to the franchisor for the right to operate a business under the established brand. Franchisee receives a license from the franchisor to operate a business using its brand, trademarks, and established business practices. Franchisee typically pay initial fees for the right to join the franchisee system and ongoing royalties or fees, usually based on a percentage of sales. Coming to brand consistency and support from franchisor. Franchisee chains aim for a high level of brand consistency across all locations to ensure a standardized customer experience. And franchisees follow specific operational guidelines set by the franchisor covering aspects such as store layout, product offerings, and customer service. Franchisors provide training and support to franchisees, ensuring they understand the business model, operations, and brand standards. Franchisors, they often handle national or regional marketing campaigns, while franchisees contribute to local advertising efforts. Now, what are the benefits of franchisees? Franchisees benefit from the established brand recognition of the franchisor, which can lead to a faster startup and reduced marketing efforts. Franchisees receive ongoing support, including assistance with site selection, inventory management, and access to the franchisor's expertise. McDonald's, Subway, 7-Eleven are all the examples of franchisee chain retailers. Many hotel chains, such as Marriott, operate under a franchisee model. While franchisees must adhere to certain brand standards, they often have flexibility in local decision making to cater to regional preferences. Franchisees have the opportunity to own and operate their businesses without starting from scratch, leveraging the success of an established brand. Coming to the challenges faced by the franchisees. Fees and royalties. Franchisees must pay ongoing fees and royalties impacting their overall profitability. And the second challenge is the dependence on franchisor. Franchisees may be influenced by decisions made by the franchisor, and changes in the franchisee system can affect individual businesses. Franchisee chain retailers offer a balance between entrepreneurship and the support of an established brand, making it an attractive business model for individuals looking to own and operate their own businesses with the backing of a successful brand.